When buying a home, you will hear the term escrow constantly. It is the invisible safety net that keeps your money and assets secure. At its simplest, escrow is a neutral third party that holds funds and documents until both the buyer and seller meet their specific obligations. Most home sales spend about 1 to 2 months in this process, ensuring all inspections, title searches, and financing details are finalized. The escrow agent manages the flow of paperwork and money, making sure the seller gets paid only when the title is clear and transferred. People often confuse escrow with closing. While closing is the final day of the deal, escrow is the ongoing process that leads up to it. Fees vary by state, but these costs are typically split between the buyer and the seller as part of the final settlement statement. Think of it as a trusted middleman. It prevents the seller from feeling cheated and protects the buyer from paying for a house they do not own. Understanding escrow helps you stay organized during the stressful home buying period. Subscribe for more basics on navigating your financial life.